Hi, good morning, dear Sagittarius. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind these are general readings. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place, resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. This is a reading from today till the 10th of October. Sorry. Let's start. Sagittarius, your partner's current energy right now is. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is. Two of Pentacles. Sagittarius, your partner right now is, I will call you Saggy, okay? So Sagittarius, your partner right now is juggling. Two of Pentacles. Might be juggling between two situations, or might be juggling between present and the future, or past or present, or might be between two people at the same time. There is some kind of confusing energy and conflicting energy that they are carrying right now for this particular connection in their current environment. Let me clarify the Two of Pentacles in their current energy, what is happening with them actually. Let me see. Seven of Pentacles, the Star, and the Chariot. I feel like this person is juggling. What should I do? What should I do regarding this particular connection? Whether should I stay? Should I stay or wait that everything is going to be fine in the future? Or should I just move on? This is the confusion that they are carrying right now. They are trying to move on as well. They are trying to stay in the connection as well. This is the situation, and that's why they are constantly juggling. Seven of Pentacles could be dealing with an Aquarius here. Star card is also here, and the Chariot could be dealing with a Cancerian here. So this person right now is very, very confused whether to stay or whether to move on. This is the state of their mind right now. That's why this person is constantly juggling and constantly in this confusing state of mind. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Okay, this is happening. Okay, let me see what's your current energy, Sagittarius. Your current energy right now is Queen of Cups. You are carrying lots of love for somebody, and this is kind of mature love, motherly kind of love, concerned type of love, female oriented love. It is female oriented because it is having a feminine energy of love and care and emotions. It is not kind of love like lust kind of love. It is kind of caring and beautiful kind of lovely emotions. Queen of Cups. So Queen of Cups is the highest form of love, feminine kind of love, you can say. Or it could be for somebody, or it could be for yourself as well. Might be you're healing from some kind of situation, and that's why you are giving yourself extra care, extra love. Okay, there is a possibility of that as well. Let me clarify the Queen of Cups in your current energy. Death could be dealing with a Scorpio, your moon, and the Queen of Wands. So Queen of Cups is here, Queen of Wands is here. You are definitely passionate about somebody, you are definitely in love with somebody. There is a death and rebirth here. So I feel like there is a connection that is ending, and there is a connection that is starting again. So after this end, or after this transformation of this particular connection or particular relationship in your life, you are still very, very fearful. You're very fearful, and you are fearing the unknown, you are fearing the future, you are fearing what will happen in the future with this particular connection. But still you carry lots of emotions, still you carry lots of passion for this particular person. You are ready to take the risk with this particular person or with this particular connection. Although the connection is no more, although I can see a separation here, or might be a long time of separation or long time of silence between you guys, but still you are very, very passionate about this connection. Still you are very, very passionate about this particular person. Lots of love, lots of emotions you carry for this particular person. See, this is end and rebirth. This is the fearful energy or blockage in your intuition that is making you fearful again and again about the future of this connection. But you are very passionate about them. You are ready to take the risk with this particular person or for this particular person. Okay, Sagittarius, this is happening. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Sagittarius, their feelings for you. Let's see. Magician, I feel like this person is manifesting you in their life. This person is trying to manifest something in their life. They are trying to use the law of attraction techniques, the spells techniques, you can say, or some kind of techniques that will bring them back to you, or bring you back to them, make you go back to them. This is the situation. Let me clarify the magician actually. Or it could be manipulative energy as well, that they are trying to manipulate you or manipulate the situation and mold the situation according to what is happening according to them. This person might be a mind player, mind gamer, and they know how to change the situation according to them. Let me clarify the magician in their feelings for you. Three of Cups and the Seven of Wands and the Page of Wands. This person is manifesting a reconciliation with you, but they are acting defensive at the same time, and they want to have a restart with you. They are doing two contradictory things. First, they want to have a reconciliation and they are manifesting. They are trying to manifest you back using all the law of attraction techniques and love spells and whatnot. But again, at the same time, they are defending themselves. They are not ready to open up and they are not ready to communicate with you. They are not ready to tell you exactly what they are feeling about this connection. But again, they want to have a start with you. They want to, uh, text you or have a communication with you, open up the gate of communication with you. I feel like this person wants to have a reconciliation, and they're trying to tell you, or they're trying to show you that they don't give a shit about this connection, or they don't give a fuck about this connection of what is happening or what you are doing or something like that, acting very very defensive towards you, towards this particular connection. But deep down they are feeling like you should text them. They're manifesting that you should text them. They're manifesting that yes, there should be a communication from your side. This is a very very contradictory feelings that they are trying to show you right now. They need reconciliation, they want to have a reconciliation, but they are not going to do it from their side because they feel like this should not be like this. You should be the one who should reconnect. This is what they feel. Okay? Let's see what this person wants from you, Sagittarius. Seven of Cups. I feel like they know that you have lots of options in your life, or might be you have lots of work in your life to do and to sort out so many things in your life right now. They just want you to come out of this confusing state of mind, or they just want you to come out of this dilemma of having so many options together, of having so many options at the same time. They just want you to choose them out of these options, because they clearly know that you have options in your life and they want you to choose them out of these, so many peoples or so many relationships or connections around you. Let me clarify the Seven of Cups. Four of Wands, the Magician again is here, the Fool. So this person wants you to choose them for marriage and manifest a life with them and have a brand new beginning with them. Don't think about the future, don't think about the present or past. Although they want to have a committed relationship or committed connection with you, right now they just want to manifest you back in their life, and they just want you to choose them over somebody else or over so many options that you have in your life, and have a brand new beginning with them, and trust the universe and trust the process that everything is going to be fine this time. There will be no hurdles this time, there will be no ifs and buts this time, there will be no conflicts this time. This is not possible actually, but yes, this is what they want from you. They want you to choose them over everybody else and just restart this connection. Give this connection a second chance. Yes. Cool. Let me see what is coming towards you till the 10th of October. Sagittarius. Ten of Pentacles. Beautiful family kind of relationship. Abundance. Financial abundance is here for sure. Okay, I will clarify this card further, but this is energy of beautiful proposal might be coming your way from this particular person, or you are going to propose this person, or there is some kind of financial ancestral property kind of energy that you are getting from somebody. This financial abundance here, you are getting this. Happy news is here. Some kind of happiness is coming your way till the 10th of October. Beautiful energy. Let me clarify the 10 of Pentacles as a potential outcome for you. The Hanged Man, the Empress, the Tower. Oh, I feel like there's a stuck energy between you and them from a very long time. This stuck energy will get unstuck, and boom, there will be a fallout. There will be a sudden realization. There will be a sudden surge of energy, sudden surge of emotions, and there will be a sudden thing, sudden communication you can say, or sudden realization you can say, or some kind of sudden money or shocking news in a positive way is coming towards you. Regarding as per the love reading that I'm doing here, I feel like there will be some kind of unstuck energy that will come towards you. I feel like you guys were feeling stuck from a very, very long time in this connection, but this energy is now getting unstuck, and after this unstucking the energy kind of thing, you guys are finally going to flirt with each other and might be date each other, and there will be a sudden growth in the connection. So thank you so much, Sagittarius, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.